Hi guys, welcome to Computer Tech Videos. Today I am going to show you how to install a 2012 server on Oracle VirtualBox Manager. So first thing we need to do is create a new appliance. We'll go press on new and name that appliance just for your reference so you know which machine this is. And then choosing where you want to store it. I'll just store it at this following address, and then you can choose what Windows and what version of Windows you're going to install. So I'm going to install Server 2012, so I'll leave it to this and press next, and then choose how many gigs of RAM you want to give this. I'll give it 8192 MB and I'll create a new virtual hard disk for this. The format will be the file type I'll choose will be VDI, and I will choose dynamically allocated Windows size, disk size, sorry. And then here I'll choose, please type the name of the new virtual hard disk file into the box below, or click on the folder icon to select a different folder to create the file in. So I will leave the default one and I'll make a 50 gig hard drive. We'll create next. Now you have to highlight this Windows 2012, the appliance you have made. Click right, go to the settings, go to the storage, and click on this empty disk. Here we will mount the disk we want to add. Disk of the server we want to add. We will go choose that. The other way of choosing that is go to choose file and select the disk image file. We will cancel that and we will select, because I have already installed it quite a few times, I'll choose it from here and press OK. Now you will start this machine by right clicking on it and choosing start and give it a normal start, or the other way is to just press this button here. Okay, we will make sure we have selected the right ISO file and we'll press start. I will go ahead and maximize that for you. Okay. So language of installation for me will be English, and then I'll choose my time and currency format. Sorry, that's not right. I'm not in China or Taiwan. In New Zealand. And next, we'll press install now. Next thing we are going to do, we will add the product key. I will stop the recording here, and I will fill in the key here, and then I'll press next. I will just pause that. Okay, and I will select the second option, which is says Windows Server 2012 R2 Standard and server with a GUI, graphical user interface, and we will go select that and press next. We will go ahead and set the license, and we will go for the second option, custom install Windows only advanced. This will select the unallocated space and go next, and I will skip it to the part where all this installation is done. There might be one or two restarts in between, don't worry, just leave the VirtualBox to do its thing. Okay, now that's all done. We will set up a password. And we'll go press finish. Okay, we will log in. And press this. So, our Windows Server 2012 is all installed. Please like and subscribe and follow on for our next videos. Thanks.